Pacha.
Hey Charlie, now I think say last year now about last 2 years.
Pacha, last 2 years.
Last 2 years. Yeah. That was time and now day. I'm trying to remember new man now there about as at that time. But I hope say all is well.
Yes, please, everything.
Great.
Well.
Before Sobeban, we were having a conversation, and I think I need to ask you. It's on the internet, baby. I say female musicians are sidelined in the music industry. What can be bisa? Was it true?
Not at all, because interview na me call and you bisa me say what do I think about albums actually.
Yeah.
And then I make her say for me personally, I think say when it comes to Ghana, Ghanaians are going through a lot. They are thinking of too many things at the same time. And I set an example of people who have released songs like albums and then only just one song was what people liked and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, probably because they have a lot of things on their mind, they wouldn't pay attention to an album. So maybe we should concentrate on giving them. Me trino, enya papa. Okay, let me say, instead of say yeah artist, ni ebe more album, or maybe because who music in who music industry, a lot of money and effort goes inside. So where album or muntie no be pick back and they hadn't release a single this sana. Release the album. I never said anything that omuhu or headlines sinimu ana bibi. I never said anything like that.
No craze the reading no.
Oh, that at all.
Fantastic. So as someone now can say it's good to see as an artist, Mube releases single tracks and not.
Yeah, beside me say what are my opinions on albums?
So that is your opinion.
Yes, on albums.
Okay. And to me beside say now her system now send a while can say my anymore there.
Yeah.
More than be counted.
Oh, oh, me on my papa.
Okay. See, which type of songs and they as an artist, to say, we should share your mama for any jumwa. Then you now for Ghana for pen right now.
I think so. When it comes to music, music is a very spiritual thing. You want to mean pinpointing because a new winner. Omobepe, new mumpe. You know, be say be fan, no can never fan. Into no, say Udi tuma ebefa.
I see. The latest song I would drop from your account by Nyumbang.
Pacha title near Vibration featuring Freddie Maywe.
Okay, soft life on the bias and away ba.
Me Pacha.
So why Freddie Maywe?
Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, there, kasa. Why Freddie Maywe?
And let me per se me expanded me portfolio as a musician. What I say, Anna, he's somebody that I've been listening to since I was a child. Into
Miss Loloti.
Oh, Pacha, I mean Miss Zoblazo. Yeah, into I wanted to just pick the Zoblazo and then add a little bit of Afro beats up and piano, not taking anything away from the song because just add a little bit of Gen Z.
I'm about to play the song, but I think there's a mixture of francophone and
yes, I'm a piano Afrobeat.
I see. You near bar near the S3fa twaso.
Lecture.